sliding over your skin. Your dress so close, I know where you begin. Yeah. You look at me like you already know. No words needed, just letting it go. Every step closer, I feel your heat. Your body moving right into me. The silence loud, tension so deep. You bite your lip, I can't even breathe. Your breath on my neck, I feel it rise. Fingers in my hand, no more disguise. You pull me in, no space between. Right where you are is where I need. Iris blue, open and slow. In the dark where no one knows. Every touch soft and low. Got me caught, don't let me go. Skin so close, we move in time. Every inch crossing lines. In this rain we lose control. Iris blue, take my soul. Raindrops falling down your spine, my hands follow, taking time. You lean closer, feel your sway, like you don't wanna pull away. Heartbeat matching every move, slow rhythm, nothing to prove. Eyes locked deep, no escape, lost in every breath we take. Say my name, nice and slow, like you don't wanna let it go. Pull me closer, hold me tight, let the rain blur wrong and right. Iris blue, blooming now. No more distance, no more doubt. Feel your heartbeat next to mine, dancing on that fragile line. In this moment we don't hide, let the tension come alive. Every second pulls us through. Iris blue, just me and you. Don't stop, stay right here, don't let go. Feel it deeper, nice and slow. Stay right here, lose control. Ooh, don't stop, stay right here, don't let go. Feel it deeper, nice and slow. Stay right here, lose control. Rain keeps falling, we don't move. Every drop just sets the mood. Close to you, nothing else, just your touch and no one else.